Hey everyone, Enrique here, and welcome to Microsoft Excel Foundations. This is a hands-on, project-based course designed to help you master foundational skills for managing, analyzing, and communicating with data in Excel. We'll start by introducing the Excel interface and workflow, then dive into Spreadsheet Fundamentals, including table structures, data types, formatting, and basic analytical techniques like sorting and filtering. From there, we'll dig into formulas and functions, introduce key topics like formula syntax, reference types, and common errors, and practice applying some of the most common and powerful techniques for data management and analysis. We'll use functions to count and aggregate values, create logical tests, join data across tables, manipulate text and date values, and much more. Next, we'll introduce pivot tables, one of the most essential spreadsheet tools for data exploration. We'll practice preparing raw data for analysis, create pivot table views to slice and dice the data in different ways, and apply different calculation options to modify how measures are aggregated and displayed. From there, we'll dive into the world of data visualization and storytelling, review frameworks and best practices for effective design, and practice bringing our data to life using common visuals like line and bar charts, pie charts, scatter plots, and more. Last but not least, we'll demonstrate how to leverage AI by using Microsoft Copilot to help apply conditional formatting, create formulas from scratch, and summarize and visualize data using pivot tables. If you're ready to build the skills you need to make smart, data-driven decisions, then this is a course for you. We've got a lot to cover, so let's dive in.